right, good morning, everyone. I would like you to open up your packet to page 6. Okay, so this is going to be your assignment for today. Okay, I want you to show all the work. It's ratios, basic skills, no work, no points. You should be finishing up this this worksheet today. Okay, the first part, numbers 1, 2, and 3, are simplifying. So for these, you're going to have to think of a number that you can divide these numbers by. So 6 and 21, 20, 24, 18, and 30. You can use your multiplication table and see what number has 6 and 21 in the same line. So for example, for this one, if I were to use my multiplication table, and of course some of you have already figured it out, which of course you can always work ahead of me, not behind me. So if I look here, and I'm looking for 6 and 21. Here's a 6, here's a 6, but I'm also looking for 21. So if I look in this line, here's a 6, and here's the 21 on the same line. So that means I can divide both of these numbers by 3. So you take this, and you go divide by 3, divide by 3, and then 6 divided by 3 is 2, and 21 divided by 3 is 7. And so our answer is 2 sevenths. So you can circle that one. So when you're doing the drawing, you're going to be drawing these type of ears. Okay, same thing here. What can you divide these two numbers by? What can you divide those two numbers by? Go ahead and do that. Here is 4, 5, and 6. Really easy. You're just writing it in a different rate. What is another way of writing the ratio 2 over 3? Okay, remember there's 3 ways of writing a ratio, but you have to keep the same order. So if the 2 came on top, so it has to come first. What's another way of writing the ratio 15 over 11? Remember, if the 15 came first, that's what you have to write down first. What's another way of writing this? But this one you have to simplify. So make sure you simplify 20 and 28. What can you divide by? Okay. Moving on. There are 36 students in a class, 20 are girls. What is the ratio of girls to boys? So you got to figure out how many boys there are. And of course, simplify. Okay, these are kind of like your do now questions. What's the ratio of boys to total? This goes with this information. So figure out how many boys in the total, and of course, simplify. A jar has 15 marbles, 4 green, 5 red, and the remaining are blue. What's the ratio of green to blue? Okay, write it down, and of course, simplify. These again are from your, basically from your do now. All right, let's look at the back side. All right, there are 14 footballs and 15 baseballs in the basket. What is the ratio of baseballs to footballs? I don't think you have to simplify in that one. What's the ratio of footballs to total number of balls in the basket? What's the ratio of baseballs to total number of balls in the basket? Okay, super easy. Some other ones. Okay, they all go with this problem. Then down here we have some addition, subtraction, line up the decimals, multiplication, the most important question of the packet, and 21. So I want you to show me work. If you just go here and you just circle whatever on here, I don't know what the right answers are. If you just circle, you're not going to get credit for it. So I need you to show me work, line up those decimals. Okay, show me what you're doing, do it correctly. You're going to get credit. So this is 100% due at the end of the period. There's no excuses for not finishing this one. So go ahead and finish this. There will be no, if you have colored pencils, you can use them, but you're not allowed to borrow my color pencils. So if you have colored pencils, you color them. All right, I'll see you guys later.